Lovely good afternoon to all of you. I am your mentor, Dr. Pooja, and after a long time, I have come up with again a recording of my new video. And in today's video, I will be discussing about classification of amino acids with mnemonics. Because biochemistry is such a subject, when you try to memorize certain things, you people forget because it's a volatile subject. So what I have done is I have made mnemonics on amino acids so that after listening to my video, you will be able to categorize them, whether they are charged, whether they are polar, whether they are uncharged, they are non-polar, and like that. So let's start up with the recording. Now see, mnemonics of the classification of amino acids. Because all of you know, whenever we define an amino acid, it is what? It is the one which form the proteins. So whatever property these proteins exhibit, that is basically on the number of or type of amino acids which are present there. And there are 20 standard amino acids. There is another class, 21st amino acid, which is selenocysteine, and 22nd amino acid, which is pyrrolysine. They are written as separate ones because they are coded by nonsense codons, or all of you know that nonsense codons or the termination codon, they don't have a specific codon. So that is why they don't come under 20 standard amino acids. So today in my current video, I will be discussing the mnemonics of 20 standard amino acids because 21st and 22nd is clear, selenocysteine and pyrrolysine. Now see, non-polar. First of all, you should be able to differentiate between polar and non-polar. Polar means they have an affinity towards water. So non-polar, non means no. So they don't have an affinity towards water. So the mnemonic for this is you are going to pick one alphabet. Go and take vital part in promoting mother's language. G stands for glycine. A stands for alanine. Intake T stands for, I'll write the full forms also, glycine, alanine. T stands for tryptophan. V stands for valine. P stands for proline. I stands for isoleucine. P stands for phenylalanine. M stands for methionine. And L stands for leucine. So the mnemonic for this is go and take vital part in promoting mother's language, and the examples are glycine, alanine, tryptophan, valine, proline, isoleucine, phenylalanine, methionine, and leucine. Right? So these will be non-polar. That means they hate water or they don't have any affinity towards water. Next, neutral. Neutral means they don't show any reaction. Neutral means neutral from everything. So the mnemonic for this is sometimes cats try a growl. It's a funny mnemonic, but it's there. S stands for serine. T stands for threonine. C stands for cysteine. T stands for tyrosine. A stands for asparagine, and growl G stands for glutamine. So these are what sometimes cats try a growl. Serine, threonine, cysteine, tyrosine, asparagine, and glutamine are the neutral amino acids. Then comes charged. Now whether that charge is positive or whether that charge is negative. If they have a positive charge, they will be basic, or if they have a negative charge, they will be acidic. So as you can see, the mnemonic is a good lawyer aims high. Obviously, a good liar will aim high, try to get maximum number of customers. So aspartate and glutamate are the acidic amino acids. And lysine, arginine, and histidine are the basic amino acids. As just now I told you, acidic, negative charge, and basic, positive charge. So these are what? Charged amino acids. And then the most important part of this comes when we talk about nutritional requirement, yeah, nutritional importance of amino acids. In this, essential, semi-essential, and rest are non-essential. So essential are 8, semi-essential are 2, and 10 are non-essential. Always remember this. So if we talk about 8 essentially nutritionally required amino acids, because essential are the ones which cannot be synthesized, they have to be provided from outside diet. I love Tom very much, and perhaps Tom loves him. This is one mnemonic. Another mnemonic is TV till 8 p.m. These are the two different mnemonics for this. I stands for isoleucine, leucine, threonine, valine, methionine, arginine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, lysine, and histidine. So these are what? These are essential ones. Histidine comes under semi-essential also. So semi-essential are 2, arginine and histidine. And we have to give the preference, priority between arginine and histidine. So it is arginine, then histidine. And rest are non-essential. So obviously, if you remember the essential and semi-essential ones, if the question comes on non-essential, the rest of them are non-essential. So mnemonic is I love Tom very much, and perhaps Tom loves him. Or TV till 8 p.m. And for semi-essential, it's arginine and histidine. So this is as per their nutritional requirement and as per their choices. Next class is based on the metabolic fate. Metabolic fate means what is the result of the metabolism in the body. So for glucogenic and ketogenic, the mnemonic is PITTL. Phenylalanine, isoleucine, tyrosine, tryptophan, and lysine. But if we talk about ketogenic, leucine is the most potent ketogenic amino acid. Always remember this, right? And glucogenic are rest. So if we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 are both, 1 is only ketogenic and rest are glucogenic. So this is a summarized version of all the amino acids. So if you like my video, then do subscribe to it. And if you have any queries, you can put your queries on my website. I am your mentor on Class Plus also, and the description is below. So if you guys want to catch me on my website, you can catch me on my website. And if you guys want to catch me on Class Plus, you can catch me on Class Plus. So I hope you like this attempt from my side. Wishing you all the best.